In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox in Microsoft Loop 2026 full guide. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and head to loop.microsoft.com or launch the Loop app if you already have it installed. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace and then the specific page where you want your checklist to live. Place your cursor exactly where you want the checkboxes to appear. This keeps your page organized and ensures the list lands in the right spot. Now, for the quickest way to insert a checklist, on a blank line, type a /, then begin typing the word checklist. As you type, Loop opens a command menu. Select checklist from that menu. The moment you choose it, Loop inserts a checklist block with your first checkbox ready to go. If nothing appears, make sure your cursor is active on a new line so the command menu can show. There's also a simple alternative that's great if you prefer using your mouse. Hover over the left edge of a new line until you see a small plus icon appear. Click the plus, then pick checklist from the insert list. This drops in the same type of checklist, so use whichever method feels most natural to you, the / command for speed or the plus menu for a visual pick. With the checklist in place, type the name of your first task right next to the box. Press enter to instantly add another checkbox on the next line and continue pressing enter to build out your list. When a task has multiple parts, press tab on that item to turn it into a nested sub-item under the line above. This is perfect for breaking big tasks into smaller trackable steps, all grouped neatly under the main task. A few quick tips to keep your checklist clean and effective. Keep each line short and action-focused so it's easy to scan. If you indented something by mistake, press Shift plus Tab to move it back to the main level. As work gets done, click the box to mark an item complete. Your structure stays intact so you can come back anytime to add, edit, or check off more items without losing your place. And that's it. You've learned 2 straightforward ways to add a checklist in Microsoft Loop, plus how to build tasks, press enter for new checkboxes, and use tab to create nested sub-items. Use this flow for project planning, meeting action items, or personal to-dos, and keep everything organized right where your team collaborates.